Ever wondered why Indian trains are not aerodynamically designed like bullet trains? Let's break it down. First, speed matters. That's what she said. Most Indian trains run at 80 to 130 km per hour. Aerodynamic become crucial only after 250 km per hour. Second, cost and infrastructure. Aerodynamic design are expensive and Indian's railway focus on affordability and durability. Third, frequent stops. Unlike bullet trains, Indian trains stop every few minutes, making sleek design less useful. But wait, Vande Bharat Express is aerodynamic and India's upcoming bullet trains will be too. The future is fast. So it's not about look, it's about cost, speed and practicality. Follow for more insights.